Garmin watches have limited internal storage, typically ranging from 5 gigabytes to 64 gigabytes depending on the model. This storage is used for firmware, apps, activity data fit files, downloaded maps, and music. The storage full error appears when you've accumulated too much data, primarily from activity logs or large apps, and haven't cleared space. As of early 2026, even newer models like the Phoenix 8 up to 32 gigabytes can fill up within 6 to 12 months for active users. We will show you how to fix this. The first step is to understand how your storage is being used. You can check this directly on your watch by navigating to Settings, then System, and finally Storage. Alternatively, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. It provides a breakdown of storage allocation, showing percentages used by activities, apps, music, and other files. This will help you identify what's consuming the most space. Manually deleting activities and files is a straightforward way to free up storage space on your Garmin watch. To clear space, start by deleting old activities. Your watch can store up to 1,000 activities locally, but keeping only recent ones is usually sufficient. Go to your activity history on the watch and delete activities you no longer need. Also, remove any unused apps, watch faces, or downloaded music. Every little bit helps. Garmin Connect is crucial for managing storage on your Garmin watch. This cloud-based platform acts as your central hub for all fitness data. Regularly sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app to back up your data to the cloud. This ensures all your activities, tracks, and metrics are safely stored online. Once your data is synced to the cloud, you can safely delete activities directly from your watch. This frees up valuable storage space on the device itself. Remember, the cloud serves as your long-term archive for all historical data, while your watch should focus on current activities and essential functions. Large map files and music playlists can quickly fill your storage. Use Garmin Basecamp on your computer to manage map downloads, keeping only the regions you need on your watch. For music, consider streaming via services like Deezer through Connect IQ, instead of downloading large numbers of songs directly to your device. This avoids using local storage. To manage storage effectively, start by enabling auto sync in your Garmin Connect app settings. This feature automatically backs up your data to the cloud, preventing it from accumulating on your watch. Next, limit your activity recording settings on the watch itself. For example, disable auto pause for short walks, which reduces the size of your fit files. Focus on tracking only the activities that matter most to you. By enabling auto sync and limiting activity recording, you'll keep your watch storage under control while maintaining access to your data. Garmin's recent software update version 24.10, released in January 2026, introduced the Smart Storage feature. This feature automatically offloads older activities to Garmin Connect Cloud Storage, freeing up to 20% more space on your watch. It automatically offloads older activities to Garmin Connect Cloud Storage, freeing up to 20% more space. Make sure your watch is updated to the latest firmware to take advantage of this feature. It proactively manages space without manual intervention. Looking ahead, the trend is moving towards more cloud integration. Garmin is enhancing their Connect platform to reduce reliance on local storage, making data management seamless. Expect larger onboard storage in future models like the rumored Phoenix 9, potentially offering up to 128 gigabytes of space. AI-driven solutions are also on the horizon, including predictive clearing of duplicate activities and on-device data compression. Ultimately, the goal is set it and forget it.